Hello friends, so is your car's cooling fan running constantly or maybe not turning on at all? If your scanner shows code P0484, this means there's an issue with the cooling fan circuit, leading to overheating and, honestly, possible engine damage. In this video, I'll explain what P0484 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. So let's talk about the common causes of the P0484 code. First up, a shorted cooling fan relay. Sometimes a stuck relay can actually cause excessive current draw. Next we have a burnt or stuck cooling fan motor. Basically, if the motor is damaged, it might end up drawing way too much power. Another thing to watch out for is wiring shorted to ground. A damaged wire can easily cause excessive current flow. Also, a faulty engine coolant temperature sensor, or ECTS, can give incorrect readings and totally confuse the ECM. And finally, while it's rare, an ECM malfunction is possible if all the electrical components seem to check out just fine. Okay, now let's get into how to actually fix the P0484 code. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the code just to be sure. Step 2. Inspect the cooling fan relay. Try swapping it with a similar relay to see if that does the trick. Step 3. Check the cooling fan motor by applying direct 12-volt power and see if it spins the way it should. Step 4. Test the engine coolant temperature sensor, the ECTS, and replace it if it turns out to be faulty. Step 5. Inspect all the wiring and connectors, and repair or replace any wires that look damaged. Step 6. Measure the current draw on the cooling fan motor. If it's above spec, go ahead and replace it. And Step 7. Clear the code and take your car for a test drive to make sure the issue is actually resolved. The P0484 code is usually caused by a faulty cooling fan motor, a bad relay, or sometimes a wiring issue. Fixing it will help you prevent overheating, improve your fuel efficiency, and protect your engine in the long run. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0236, Turbocharger Boost, Sensor A Range or Performance, and P0237, Turbocharger Boost, Sensor A Circuit Low. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.